12 minutes worth of business on this Friday morning, and we are up, but not that much. Nice gain for the Dow, up 140. Most of that accounted for by Nike, which is a Dow stock that's doing very well. S&P, NASDAQ up slightly. Show me Wendy's, please. Home of the bacon jalapeno cheeseburger. They're testing a new plant-based burger in 3 U.S. cities starting Monday. This comes after Dunkin' took their Beyond Meat sandwich off the national menu. Wendy's down a tiny fraction. Have you ever heard of Sweetgreen? It's a quick-serve salad chain. They've got 122 locations all across America. They have filed to go public. Now, let's bring in Gregg Smith, because he's been an investor in this company, Sweetgreen, back since 2018. First of all, tell me all about the company, and then you can tell me about the IPO. Has it got a cult following or something?
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Well, let's face it, you and I aren't getting any younger. And with the obesity prevalence rate in this country exceeding 42%, up from 30% back in the year 2000, you and I have to figure out how we're going to continue to fit in our skinny jeans. So along comes Sweetgreen. It was founded by 3 college classmates out of Georgetown back in 2007 when they opened up their first unit. And today, they've really successfully developed a loyal, almost cult-like following of young Americans where they're focused on freshness and transparency, not only at the restaurant level, but also at the supply chain, and a real big focus on community. Historically, healthy fast food was really an oxymoron. It was almost an anathema. It didn't work. People wanted their burgers, their fries. They didn't want salads quickly. But what Sweetgreen has done is really changed all that. And anytime I see such a passionate, engaged consumer base, what that says to me is we're going to have a cult-like stock, right? You look at Apple. Apple really was the first cult stock, and today others have followed. We have Peloton, we have Tesla, Chipotle. So I think Sweetgreen is going to follow in their shoes. They have a fabulous product. I just look at the credit card receipts of my 2 teenage kids, both a boy and a girl, and how much they charge at Sweetgreen, and it tells me it's going to be a winner.
Tell me, how much do they charge? I mean, I'm trying to get an idea of what's the size of the check is for each customer. I mean, is it mid-priced, or is it expensive, or is it real cheap? What is it?
Well, people are going to get out of there for under a $20 bill with a very healthy offering, right?
Whoa. That's for one salad, just under $20?
I said under. So obviously you can customize either your salad or bowl. I will leave the facts to the S1 filing, but I would guess their average spend is probably somewhere around the $15 or $14 mark. And as you said, they've got 122 units and they're growing rapidly, and they just produce a fabulous product. And I think as you look at their millennial customer base, these are people that are willing to pay a premium, knowing exactly where their food comes from. They talk about having 300 sustainable farmers feeding into their supply chain. So that, to me, it's a premium product. It's fresh and it's delicious, and people will pay for it.
I've got 10 seconds. When does it come to market with the IPO?
Well, they had a confidential filing. I would expect this is going to happen in the next month or so. So okay. We don't know the details, timing, or pricing, but we know that it's coming. And again, I think this is going to be a cult stock. A
cult stock. I'm always interested in cults.
Yes.
All right, Gregg, thank you very much indeed. Appreciate it. And I know you've got an investment in Sweetgreens already. Good stuff.